I'm recording. This is how to build Lego Jinja Sago Mini. I just need to put it somewhere. Don't worry guys, we'll start the video. Ow! Okay, I'll just try. Okay, first we'll need a 2x4 orange brick and a 2x2 sloped down orange brick and another one. Just snap it like this and get a 2x4 orange brick and then just snap it. And then you get another 2x4 brick, orange. All we'll need is orange. And then later we'll do the arms. Wait, I forgot to tell you, these are all 2x4 bricks. Snip it like this. And then you get a 2x2 orange brick. Snap it in the middle like that. And then another one. Then snap it like that. And another one. And then snap it like that. But we're not finished. And then you need a 2x4 orange brick. And then another one. Snap it like that. Then you need a 2x4 orange brick once again. And then okay. I'm trying to get you to see here, folks. And come on. Lego is so frustrating, but it's fun. I don't know why I use it every day. No, that way you can't see. I'm just now you need okay, we're resuming with the 2x4 orange brick. You put it there are 6 studs right here. It's now you're finished.